so glad you've joined me back on Chetna's Healthy Indian. This is my brand new book which is out now, and I am sharing lots of delicious, healthy, everyday Indian food from this book on my channel, and today I'm going to be making something with these aubergines. It's smoky aubergines with peas. It's simple, it's delicious, it's amazing. And I'm going to start with either a big one aubergine, or today I've just got two smaller ones, and before I do anything I'm going to grill these. So the key is take a small knife or a fork and just prick it all over, and then just drizzle a tiniest bit of oil and then rub it all around nicely, beautifully and evenly, and this will go under a grill. Now if you don't have a grill, no worries, you can do it directly on the hob, and it will take around 15-20 minutes and the skin will be all wrinkly, but we'll keep turning it every 5 minutes or so. Hot pan, tablespoon of sunflower oil, pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, and we let it just sizzle for a few seconds before we add 2 red onions, and then I'm going to cook this on medium to low heat for 10 to 15 minutes until they are golden. The onions are beautifully golden, not too dark, and I'm adding the spices: 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and just half a teaspoon of chili powder. You can increase it if you want it spicier. All of that goes into the onions. Throwing in 200 grams of frozen peas to the mix. And now you can see I'm just going to peel all the layers, the skin of the aubergines that has grilled beautifully, and it's really mushy and smoky inside. Once we've got rid of the skin, we've got to the lovely pulp, and I'm just going to chop it into small pieces. This is going to go straight in with the peas. Good mix. Cover and cook this on low heat for 15 minutes. To finish, a massive handful of fresh coriander leaves. Just look at that. It's softened and it's just mixed in so lovely. And now I can plate it up. Time to dig in. Right, this smells incredible if I haven't said that already. And it is super delicious with some chapatis or some Lachha paratha. Oh, yum. Oh boy. I'm kind of lost for words. It is so good. The grilling of the aubergine has made it so delicious, sweet and smoky, and with the peas and absolutely basic spices, it is such a delicious meal. I have got here lots of new recipes from Chetna's Healthy Indian. The book is out now. You can get your copies, and also watch out for all these recipes because they are all going on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of the recipes, and I'll see you back next week for another Healthy Indian. Bye.